The Insta360 X5 set a high standard for 360-degree action cameras. With its ability to capture stunning 8K video, impressive 72MP photos, and a rugged, waterproof design, it quickly became a favorite among content creators, vloggers, and adventurers alike. Not to mention features like flow state stabilization and horizon lock that keep footage smooth and level, no matter the action. So if you're thinking, how can Insta360 top this? You're not alone. If there's one thing we've learned in the tech world, it's that no product is ever truly perfect. As we look ahead to the Insta360 X5, we can't help but dream of what upgrades might be on the horizon. Let's have a closer look into what we'd love to see from the X5 and how it might compare to the already impressive X4. One of the X4's standout features is its 0.5-inch sensor, capable of producing detailed 72MP images and crystal clear 8K 30 video. That's impressive, but it does have its limits, especially in low light conditions. For the X5, we're hoping for a 1-inch sensor upgrade. Why does this matter? A larger sensor can capture more light, improving image quality in dim settings like nighttime adventures or indoor shoots. While the X4 excels in well-lit environments, the jump to a bigger sensor would make the X5 more versatile for creators who shoot in a variety of lighting conditions. Imagine capturing a city skyline at dusk with more clarity and less noise, something the X4 sometimes struggles with. In short, while the X4 is a champ in daylight, the X5 could be the go-to for round-the-clock shooting. Audio has always been a bit of a weak spot for action cameras, and the X4 is no exception. While its built-in microphones do a decent job, they don't quite match the quality of its video. The voice control feature works well enough, but capturing crisp audio in noisy environments like a windy beach or a bustling city can be a challenge. The GoPro Hero 13 made strides in this area with improved microphones and AI-powered noise reduction. We'd love to see Insta360 follow suit with the X5. Imagine shooting a travel vlog where your voice comes through clearly, even with background noise. With smartphones like the iPhone now offering advanced audio capture, it only makes sense for action cameras to step up their game too. If the X5 can match its stunning visuals with equally impressive audio, it could become a more complete tool for vloggers and content creators who need both. The X4 introduced removable lens guards, a feature that many users appreciated. These guards are like the UV filters on traditional cameras, offering an extra layer of protection for the fragile, protruding lenses. However, as durable as the X4 is, those rounded lenses remain vulnerable to scratches and scuffs, something no one wants to deal with. For the X5, we're hoping for even better lens protection. Maybe a more robust guard design, or even a built-in mechanism that retracts the lenses when not in use. After all, replacing lenses on the X4 isn't cheap or easy. A more durable solution would make the X5 a more worry-free option for users who take their cameras on rugged adventures, from mountain biking to scuba diving. One surprising omission from the Insta360 X4 is GPS tracking. While it might not seem like a deal breaker, it's a feature that's becoming increasingly important for adventure enthusiasts. The GoPro Hero 13 brought back GPS after dropping it in earlier models, and it's a welcome addition. Why is GPS important? Imagine hiking a remote trail and capturing a breathtaking 360-degree shot. With GPS, you'd have a precise record of where that photo or video was taken. It's not just about capturing the moment. It's about remembering exactly where it happened. For adventurers and travel vloggers, this feature would be a game changer. If the X5 includes GPS, it could elevate it from a great camera to an essential tool for documenting adventures. Battery life is another area where we'd love to see improvements. The X4 offers decent runtime, but like most action cameras, it struggles with extended use, especially when shooting in high resolutions like 8K. The X5 could benefit from a larger battery and, more importantly, better heat management. One issue with the X4 is that it can overheat during long shoots, which not only cuts recording time short, but can also affect the camera's longevity. GoPro addressed this with a redesigned heatsink in the Hero 13, allowing for longer recording times without overheating. If Insta360 can implement a similar solution in the X5, it would make a huge difference for users who need to shoot for extended periods, whether it's capturing a full day of snowboarding or a long event. One of the X4's standout features is its AI-powered editing suite within the Insta360 app. It offers automatic reframing, stunning effects like bullet time and time-lapse, and even the ability to make the selfie stick invisible. While the X4's editing tools are already impressive, we'd love to see the X5 push things even further. Perhaps more customization options for reframing, additional AI effects, or even integration with desktop editing software for more advanced edits. The easier it is to create professional-looking content, the more appealing the X5 will be to both casual users and professionals alike. If Insta360 delivers on even a few of these upgrades, the X5 could easily outshine the X4. A bigger sensor, improved audio, better lens protection, GPS tracking, longer battery life, and more advanced editing features would make it a top contender in the action camera market. The X4 is already a fantastic camera that excels in many areas, but there's always room for improvement. If the X5 can build on the strengths of the X4 while addressing some of its limitations, it could be the next must-have gadget for content creators, adventurers, and anyone looking to capture life in stunning 360 degrees. For now, we'll have to wait and see. But if the rumors are true, the Insta360 X5 might just be the action camera we didn't know we needed. So what do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and thanks for watching.